Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about eggs. We hear so much about how healthy eggs can be. Some people even consider them to be like a superfood. On the other hand, we hear that they contain so much cholesterol. So are eggs good for us or not? If that sounds interesting to you, then keep watching. So why are eggs considered one of the most nutritious foods? Well, eggs are loaded with vitamins, minerals, high quality protein, good fats, and so much more. Now, if you eat the egg white only, you only get the protein. If you want to gain all the other nutrients, you actually have to eat the yolk. Now, eating eggs can actually raise the HDL or the good cholesterol in some people, which of course would lower their risk of heart disease and stroke. Another thing that's really good about eggs is that they are loaded with choline. We don't hear too much about choline because they're usually grouped in with the B vitamins, but choline is actually an essential nutrient for human health, and it's needed for various processes in the body. Now, in just one egg, there are more than 100 milligrams of choline. It's especially important for pregnant women to have enough choline in their diet. Some of the best dietary sources of choline are actually found in egg yolks and beef liver. Now, if you're not too keen on beef liver, you might want to try egg yolks. Another good thing about eggs is that they contain amino acids in just the right ratios. So our body uses amino acids to build proteins, 9 of the essential ones that we need. We can only obtain them through our diet. And it's been found that eggs are one of the best sources of these essential amino acids. Eggs can also help us with our eye health. Eggs are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin. Now, studies show that these antioxidants can actually reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Another thing people love about eggs is that it can help them to lose weight. Many people have found if they eat eggs for breakfast, that it actually makes them feel full longer and they actually eat fewer calories throughout the day. So eating eggs is sounding pretty good, huh? A lot of benefits, right? Well, what about all that cholesterol? And what have the experts concluded? Well, before we get into that, I'd like to just remind you to please like and subscribe if you're enjoying today's video. I really appreciate that. So apparently science can't seem to settle on a definitive answer as to whether eggs are good for our health. The conclusion that many experts have come to is that there are many factors to consider. So it seems like research is showing that cholesterol in eggs doesn't affect the human body as negatively as other sources of cholesterol like bacon, cheese, butter. However, the American Heart Association says that people need to know their risk factors. So if you're at high risk for heart disease, if you've been diagnosed with heart disease or diabetes, or perhaps you're among the 30% of people who have genetic disorders that makes it difficult for them to control their cholesterol, you would definitely want to follow your doctor's directions very carefully. They may say that it's okay for you to eat eggs in moderation. Generally, this is considered limiting yourself to 1 egg per day or maybe 2 egg whites. We can also consider what it is we're eating with our eggs and how we're preparing them. It is suggested if we're going to scramble eggs to try to mix some of the whole egg with egg whites to make it a little bit healthier for us. But depending on the overall diet, if it contains little other cholesterol, may be something that would be safe for you to include eggs in your diet. But definitely you would want to check with your doctor. Well, how many eggs do you eat a week and how do you like to prepare them? Let me know down in the comments below. So if you don't have an egg allergy and you haven't been told not to eat eggs for a specific dietary or medical reason, most people are able to eat eggs in moderation and enjoy all the nutrition that comes from them. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you in the next video where we'll discuss another way we can improve our health.